Marami ang nangangarap magkaroon ng isang fairy tale story. Sunod sa luho, mayroong prince, charming or beautiful princess at higit sa lahat, mayroong happy ever after. However, in our gospel, Jesus shows us a different kind of royalty, a kingship based on truth. Today, we celebrate the solemnity of our Lord Jesus Christ the King. This celebration marks the last Sunday in Ordinary Time to beautifully usher in the season of Advent the following Sunday. Ipinapakita sa atin ni Jesus ang totoong mukha ng paghahari, ang pag-aalay ng sarili at ang mapagmahal na paglilingkod. Ito ang katotohanan, and Jesus challenges us with these words. Everyone who is on the side of truth hears my voice. Pakinggan ang tinig at sundan ng mga salita ni Jesus, ang Kristong Hari upang siya lamang ang maghari sa ating buhay. G ka ba?